Yo, so I'm very sorry for delaying these videos. Well, the thing is, I have just gone back to school after the 2-week break after you get from going back for your new year in high school. So, if you guys don't know, I am in my I am in my 3rd year of high school. So, I will be trying. I have been very busy lately. I've been a very busy bee at the minute, so I will try to get more new videos up as much as I can, but if there's no new delay, I'm sorry for the delay. I will try to upload more often. Please just enjoy the video.
Oh man, I can't wait for bonfire night tonight. Can any of you? No, I can't because you guys are going to be awesome. I can't believe it either. It's going to be 100% cool. I think I should have stayed in, to be honest. Really? Why are you wearing a costume dress? But because, darling, I am too lazy to do other so I decided to go with you. That just sounds like an excuse. You're in a boy at school. What? This bonfire night's gone so late so far. Look, I'm sorry. So let's stop arguing, okay? What do you want to do? I was thinking about painting a board. That's boring. Changeling. What did you bring a changeling for? I mean, it was friendly. Alright, Fortnite. How are you doing? Wait, what? Mr. Changeling, what is your name? Kevin. I've been in Ponyville for a bit now. And I don't know why Fortnite thinks I'm an animal. I'm practically a horse. But they told me. Oh. We're so sorry about that. It's alright, I get that a lot. I'm gonna head back to my house now. No, it's not the changeling hive, and I don't know why I look freaking creepy. Do I look creepy? Anyways, I'm gonna head out. Bye, Mr. Changeling. Alright, that was weird. Anyways, you guys wanna go get some food? Didn't we just say we bought cupcakes? Yeah. I mean, like hot dogs or burgers. What? Oh, it's plastic. Yeah, I mean, like stuff like get a pink ticket. Yeah, that sounds like a good idea, actually. I'll get the hot dogs. I'll go get the burgers. Okay, who wants to go get the burgers? I guess I'll go get the burgers. Who wants to play charades while we play? Alright, what can I get you? We would like some hot dogs and burgers. Okay, that would be 20 bits, please. Okay. Thank you. And they'll be out in less than a minute. In less than a second. second, I mean, because we are fast here. It is called fast food for a reason. I know, amazing. Anyways, here's your food. Go away and enjoy. Okay, thank you, ma'am. Thank you. The food is mine. I'll take yeah, we did. Okay. Oh, look, it's dark. Oh, wow. It's amazing. I know. Isn't it just amazing? I just wish Rarity was here to see it all. Yeah, because Rarity would have loved it if she was here. Yeah, she would have so many new ideas. It's flashing all red, green, purple. What's not to love? I know. Happy bonfire!